check out this deal I found last night. So we're driving. It's about a 20-minute drive from where we're at right now. I've been on the road for about 30 minutes. And check out this deal I found last night. So it's a 08 RMZ 450 in the guy's storage container or something like that. I don't know. I guess he's not from around here, but it runs good. He said it needs nothing, and it's a pretty crazy deal. He only wants 850 bucks. So insane deal. He didn't even put, all he did was just say it's in fair condition, runs good. I called him. I said, is there any issues? I told him I'm trying to ride it like right now. So like I'm trying to bring it somewhere to ride it, just so like he would like tell me if there's something wrong with it. Now he said it's good, so we got some cash on us. We're about to slide, so I guess I'll catch y'all there. Everything good? I'm Judah. This is a nice facility.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, this is Oh, here she is. Got all the toys.
Yeah.
So what, you used to ride or something?
I used to ride years ago, and then I moved to Colorado.
Okay.
So my buddy has been riding it, you know, it's basically a great bike, man.
Yeah.
You know, the wheels are pretty good. You know, the only things was some scratches from here and this hitting here. Which,
okay.
You know, but that thing that was just jumping there.
I guess we open it up and
Yeah.
pull it out or whatever in the light.
Yeah. And I got some other stuff there.
Oh, you got a whole bunch of stuff.
Yeah.
So how long you had it?
I'm the first owner.
Oh, really? You bought it brand new?
Yeah, I got the title. I got everything.
Dang.
I got the manual. It's a good deal, man. Good deal.
Yeah. It's a big boy right here.
That's,
I've never ridden a dirt bike before.
oh, you haven't?
I'm just kidding. Is this a good starter bike?
Yeah.
No, I've had like every bike you could imagine.
It's a beast, man.
Oh, first kick. Come on. That ain't bad. Gotta warm up a little bit. You change the oil and all that stuff yourself? Can I go for a little ride? Yeah. Yeah, it rips. Runs good. It's an 08, right?
08.
08?
Yeah, I got all the paperwork.
Nice.
And I'll give you the title, too.
Hey, you kind of look like Marvin Muscan.
Who's that?
You never heard of him? Really fast.
Oh, yeah.
Rides for KTM.
Oh, my
Look
God.
at really fast. Oh my gosh, look at this. Directly alike.
Andy Boyer with Race Day Live, presented by Amsoil. We're here with the big winner, Marvin Muscan. You've won 2 out of 3, man. You got to feel great.
Oh, for sure I do. You know, I was a little bit bummed last weekend.
That's spot on. That might be. Are you sure that's not you?
No, it's not me.
You wear KTM stuff. You could sign autographs and everything. It's him. Where you from?
Puerto Rico.
Nice. Yeah. And how much were you asking?
$850.
And that's like firm.
Yeah. Yeah, it's firm. You know, it's a great bike. It's below Mark Parker. I just want to get rid of it.
Yeah.
You know, as soon as I put the ad, I got like 15 people. And actually, you were the second one. One was gonna come down from Tampa, and he couldn't make it. And you know, I said, you know, what up?
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah.
So and this stuff comes with it, or
Man, I'll give it to you.
would you take 800 for everything? That's it.
Yeah.
How about 840 since I only got 20s? Is that okay? Or unless you got a 10, I'll take it. But I think I only got 40.
Maybe I got to let me check out.
All right.
And I'll give you the title.
Yeah.
I'll give you the. We'll do a set.
Bill of sale or whatever.
Bill
If you have the
sale.
title, then that's all I need, to be honest. So yeah, I guess we'll count this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. Okay, that should be 6. That's 6?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. 1, 2, 40. I'll give you the other 10 if you have a 10 on you.
Yeah. I'll maybe look in the truck.
All right. How many hours do you think are on it?
I wouldn't know because after I stopped riding it, my friend rode it. So to be honest,
Okay.
I cannot give you specific, but not too many.
Not too many. Yeah, it seems like it's in good shape.
You know, we replaced the tires at some point.
Yeah.
Where are you guys riding?
I live on 5 acres, so we're riding all the time.
Nice.
Really, I ride like every day. I've got a little track in my backyard. Nothing crazy, but I might bring some dirt in now.
Yeah.
Make something really cool.
No, you're gonna enjoy this.
I got it. I'm good. Ready to rip? Buddy, I appreciate you. That is how it's done, ladies and gentlemen. This deal, one of the craziest deals I've had in a long time. Sometimes you get good deals, but like original owner, manual, paperwork, receipts, a whole mystery box full of, I don't even know. I guess we're gonna find out. Crazy deal, but I guess we're siding, and I'm pretty hyped right now. I'm about to get some food, celebrate a little bit, and then head back to the house and go rip this thing. Probably make some jumps, I don't know, but we're about to head back to the house. What'd you get? I just bought a one owner. No, I want you to guess. It's a 08 RMZ 450 with title, manuals, original owner, and it comes with a whole mystery box full of helmets, gear, everything, and it's mint. It's a nice bike.
08 RMZ 450?
Yeah, say what you think it's worth first, and then tell me what you think I bought it for.
I think like a reasonable price that wouldn't take too long to sell would be anywhere from like 28 to like 32.
Take a guess what I bought it for. It's mint, one owner.
It was a pretty sick deal.
Yeah, it was a sick deal.
If you told me you got it for like $1,200, I'd be like, damn, that's lit.
Go lower.
You got it for lower?
850 bucks.
You gotta sell it for 28, so you can
Two
make
stacks.
2 bands off by $800.
The guy looked like a pro motocross rider.
No, I don't finally
So if y'all don't know, this is my favorite place to eat. I'm about to get the fattest burrito. You're about to see. You guys don't know about this, but you're about to find out. But this burrito is like this. Like you could feed the whole family with this thing. It looks like a little baby. Dude, look at that burrito. 3.5 pounds. Thank you. Oh, can I get a water cup? Hey, don't tell the feds, bro. I took some sweet tea in the water cup. Wow. Bought the bike from. He just sent me pictures of that jet ski he has. He only wants like $5 grand for it, and it's probably worth 6 or 7. Might have to run back there real quick. I just bought this dirt bike. How much do you think I bought it for? $1,200. $850. Yeah, RMZ 450. You want to be in the vlog?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Ronnie.
Nice to meet you, bro. What you up to?
Shit,
Getting a burrito?
Yeah, wait for it to get off work. I just ate the burrito.
True.
Fucking,
Shit's fire. It's my favorite place.
Chipotle?
Yeah.
You love Chipotle?
Literally, that's my favorite place. I'm trying to get sponsored by these people one day. That's like my dream. That's when I know I made it. If Chipotle sponsors me. All $850 everything. Crazy deal. Yeah. How the f does a boat get out here? Oh, there's a bike in this. Look at this shit. Yeah, 800 likes for giving this away. So I made it back to the house, and we're finally time to open up this mystery box, see what we got in here. The guy literally, he was gonna charge me for this stuff, and then I was just like, that comes with it, right? And he's like, yeah, sure. Look at, geez, dude. A brand new neck brace. These are like 200 bucks. Like 250, like I swear to God, these are like 250 bucks. And brand new in the box. Brand new chest protector, hand guards, pants. Oh my God, bro, and a brand new set of boots. Dude, I think these are expensive. Bro, I think these are like $500. Oh my God, bro. Used, 430 bucks. No way, bro. Look at, they're brand new. They got the fucking, oh my God, bro, that's crazy. They're my size, bro. Do not play with me, bro. Look at this shit. Dude, these are like $600 new, and they're my size. This guy gave me freaking $2 grand just in shit. All right, now for the helmet. I wonder what type it's gonna be. This shit's probably gonna be mad expensive. No one, dude. Bro, this is like insane. Maybe I'll sell this stuff, or maybe I'll just keep it. I don't know. What if we had goggles? Oh my god. Dude, I said, what if we had goggles? And I swear to God, I didn't plan that out. Like, I literally reached in there. Dude, I got the whole fit. Yo, I'm gonna just try this on. Gang, gang. Dude, this is perfect. All right, so I'd say it was a good day. Got some killer deals. I'd probably gonna post this thing up for like 2,500 bucks or something. I might keep it. Probably sell it though, to be honest. I have too many bikes as it is. But pretty crazy. These boots came with it, and this helmet. That shit's like, that's literally wild. This stuff's like top of the line, like the nicest of the nicest. But that's gonna be a wrap for this video. Catch me next time. Like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'm gonna catch y'all later. Peace.